I have a couple of exchanges to make and hopefully not returns, but in the event after that I'm gonna browse. My fiance told me to get a Christmas list together, so that's my next step. Never been inside before. I didn't even know that there was a location here. Yeah. How long have you guys been in business?
We've been in this
yeah.
for 3 years.
For some reason, I thought that this was only in Manhattan.
We're the only store outside of Manhattan, though, so that's not like far from it. But we have 4 locations in Manhattan. We used to have 5.
It's gorgeous. Interior goals. I will. Thank you so much. All right, yesterday I did not get an opportunity to do the shopping that I wanted to do. It was the weirdest thing. I had the most random people coming up to me and speaking to me. So I figured, you know what, let me try again today. And as soon as I walked into the store, the woman at the makeup counter called me over, but she called me over because she loved my Fendi stockings and my Zara boots, so she wanted to ask me about them, and then all of a sudden she's doing my eye makeup. How pretty. I wish I was doing a sit-down video. Anyway, I wound up spending all my time in the store having a conversation. I ended up meeting like literally 5 fabulous women, and we were all organically connecting and having such a nice time talking. I really like these ladies. I would actually go back with coffee and hang out with them. So that was fun. But let's see, tomorrow I have my manicure appointment. I couldn't get one today, and I'm going to get my hair washed and blown out tomorrow because I think it's held up pretty well since the weekend. Yeah, I said the weekend. And what else? I think that's it. I'll try some shopping. If the stores are still open, I'll try some shopping when I get closer to my house. I did pick up a lip gloss from Marc Jacobs and also a lip liner. Let's see. The lip liner is called, I don't know what it's called. It's called this. Can you see that? Ugh, so annoying. Okay, and then this one is called Enamored. And the lip liner, I love the nudie shade that it gives. It's a twist up. So she put it on a little bit more smudged inward from the lip line. This lip gloss feels so good. Oh my goodness. I love it. This is terrible because I promised myself no more makeup. Oh, and it's a little bit pepperminty, but I love this color so much. I noticed that I have a collection of nudes and I have a collection of reds. I'm always looking in the wrong spot. I'm sorry. I'm always doing that to you all. Okay, let's see if I can get to the other stores so I can browse around.